Hello everyone, I'm Mihailo. I'm licensed real estate professional today with my team.
Hello, my name is Catherine Burchin. I'm very excited to show you what we have going on here today at the MAREA at this beautiful new listing we have.
Hi there, my name is Eric Lawmeister, real estate agent here supporting Miami Beach, Miami, Florida.
Can't wait to show you guys around. We have some very exciting things in store today. First off, let's start with the kitchen where we have beautiful marble finishes all throughout. We have Wolf appliances, a Sub-Zero wine cooler over here. Of course, we have a beautiful kitchen island, perfect for your guests.
So while you're here enjoying South Beach, take a look at this view, what we have to offer. Right beyond there is South Point Park, and then you have Fisher Island. Very much a great way to sit back, kick back, and enjoy Miami Beach.
Now we're going to take you to the master bedroom. So technically this is a double master, but we kind of think that this is the true master, considering it leads out to the massive balcony with views to Fisher Island. Very spacious, and a king and queen closet space, of course, so you don't have to share with your partner. Now this is a really cool feature to have. This is the bigger closet, so most likely for the lady of the house. We have a full walk-in over here with tons of built-in storage space.
Take a look at your bathroom. So we have tub and platform shower, all beautifully, elegantly designed for you to wake up in the morning and just really get your day started on the right way. So here we have is one of the bedrooms. Also can be used as a great office space. You still have balcony access right outside, and there's also a full bathroom that comes right out of here.
So now we have a pretty cool feature to show you if you come here and follow me. Thank you, Eric. So this is one of our balconies, and it actually connects the office space or third bedroom to our in-law suite, or second master, as you'd may call it. So this is my personal favorite bedroom. I think it's really cool that it has two balconies rather than one. It has a little bit more privacy and seclusion. If you want to follow me, you can check out the second balcony. There's a little bit of privacy and seclusion from the rest of the unit. You could set up a little table and chairs and have your coffee out here in the morning, especially if you have a family and you kind of like to have your privacy. Another reason why I think it's the perfect in-law suite is, you know, it does have that added layer of privacy here with this third balcony. Next, I'm going to show you to our beautiful walk-in closet. So much space. We have lots of storage in this unit in general, especially in the closets. I love this built-in shelving that we have. Multiple places to hang your clothes, plenty of space for you and your partner. And we have a full-size bathroom in here. We do have a beautiful waterfall shower with all marble finishing. Very nice touch. We have this beautiful sink with lots of storage space underneath. If you are interested in this property, please feel free to reach out to the phone number posted below, and we look forward to seeing you here and maybe making this your future home. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.